friends, welcome to Telangana Properties Hub. Today we are going to see a new place called Brindavanam, and it is near to the Warangal highway. So let us see and explore about this new project, and let us see how this is all about. So this is Brindavanam project. It is very close to Yadadri to Bhadradri highway, and only 5 minutes drive from Telangana's biggest temple, Yadadri. So this is the project. This is how it looks. It's a new venture just launched recently. So this is how it looks, and it's only 2 minutes drive from Hyderabad to Warangal highway, and 20 minutes drive from AIIMS. So it is very close to highway, I can say, and it's a YTDA approved project. So this is how it looks, and it's only 13,000 rupees per square yard. So it's a very cheap deal, being very close to the highway. So it's a good deal for you to purchase one, because you can expect good returns in the future days. So it's also very close to the new collectorate office, and we have many schools and colleges, resorts and PG colleges here, very close to this place. So this is how it is, very spacious, and it's a clear title project with immediate registrations, and it's a gated community with the entrance arch also, 40 and 30 feet roads with beautiful footpaths, and overhead tank, tap connection, underground drainage, electricity, street lights, avenue plantation and children's park with 24/7 security is also there. So this was all about this project, all good things we are seeing here. So it seems to be like a very big project. You can invest in this, you can get good returns only for 13,000 rupees per square yard. So this is very close to Yadadri to Bhadradri highway, only 5 minutes drive from Raigiri railway station, and only 2 minutes drive from Hyderabad to Warangal highway. So it's almost very close to the highway. You can see that the compound wall has been constructed already, and you can see that all over the 4 walls have already been started. So shortly this project will be completed. So this is how it is, very close to the highway, with you can expect good returns in a very short period of time. And as I have said before, it is very close to schools and colleges, resorts and function halls. So the accessibility is also very good. So anybody who is interested to purchase a piece of land here can go ahead with no doubt, because we are having all the good facilities for this project, and we also have the railway station facility also. So it's a very good point, and it's a clear title project. So you can see the temple there. It's Brindavanam, the home of your dreams. So this was all about the project, friends. Hope you have liked it. So you can call on the below given number for more details. Please do like, share and subscribe to our videos. Thank you so much for your time today. Have a great day. Bye bye.